And it also comes when it comes to forward trading, that is, trading ahead of its time in period. You find in Kautilya's Arthashastra, it has been mentioned, and the phrase which they have used to mention this forward trading is Desa Kala Tantaram Tanam, whatever. Okay, Sanskrit translation. That's the word they have used there to actually refer to forward trading which was going on even in those days. The earliest global forward trading, not futures, this is the futures slide, has taken place from Bahrain, Dubai, Bahrain to India. So that time also there were certain, they have found certain details of forward trading taking place on shipments which were taking at that point of time. Globally, the futures market has started and said to originate somewhere around 1650 AD in Japan, where it was used for silk and rice. The Dojima Rice Exchange in Osaka is supposed to be the first one, which started using it. And then US caught up in the 19th century, 1848. Chicago Board of Trade was established. In 1865, futures was introduced. And after that, in 1874, we had another exchange called Chicago Butter and Egg Board. Later on, it was what we call today as the CME or the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, which even today retains a lot of leadership when it comes to commodities. Taking it back to India, we find that organized trading in commodities started here in the 19th century at Bombay Cotton Trade. All of us are well aware that we used to only produce the cotton, but the yarn came from Manchester. So we didn't have any mills out here, thanks to the British. They just wanted the raw material so that they pay us peanuts for it, and then they take back real solid items from us in form of value for the finished product. After that, you have the legal framework which came into for the forward market came in 1952. The Kabra Committee in 1994 opened up trading in commodities, which again started around 6-7 years back. And the securities laws were amended in 1999. Actually, in 1995, SEBI took the first paper out. I still remember Dr. L.C. Gupta. The Gupta Committee report was there, and they went into whether derivatives should be there for the country, etc., etc., what are the safeguards, what should be there. And it took almost 2-3 years to come with their decision. Now we come to the totally listed products of equity derivative products which we have in our country right now. The first one is the index futures. Now why only index futures was introduced in the year 2000? Here I have given 2 dates. Can anybody tell me why 2 dates? No, not really. Because they have 2 exchanges, BSE and NSE. 9th of June was BSE. They started first, but still are ending later. And NSE started on the 12th of June, the year 2000. Why did they introduce only index? Why did not introduce stock futures? Any idea? Because can stocks be manipulated? Can index be manipulated? The truth is both can be manipulated, but one can be manipulated less, one can be manipulated more. I won't say that it's not possible to manipulate. It is possible. I mean, it all depends, but it's difficult. The difficulty goes up. So Mukesh Ambani tomorrow if he wants to make Reliance 1200 rupees, he can do it. Can he or can't he? But can Mukesh Ambani make the Nifty 6000? Why? That's because it comprises of an entire basket of Nifty, NSE 50 stocks. He can pull his Reliance, but he cannot maybe pull a Tata Steel or an ACC. You understand? different geographical regions, different industries, diversified, etc., etc. So, as per SEBI and the general understanding, index cannot be manipulated to that extent. Index is far slightly above manipulation. Very difficult, cannot take it. So start off with index futures. Let us see how the country takes it. Got it? So we started in the year 2000. Index futures, both Sensex and Nifty started getting traded in the futures market. 1 year later, after going through the entire thing and seeing that systems are in place, paying payout, no default, people are accepting it, the next was immediately on index options. Now again, SEBI in its wisdom did decide, still it's too early to give stocks. Let's start off with index. Okay, calls and puts was started on the index. A month later, the first single stock futures was started in July 2001. They started initially with the same stocks which were there in the Nifty and Sensex. Because people are familiar with that and you have the index. So start off with all those 30 and 50 and then they expanded their list. And finally, stock options started a day or two later from single stock futures. So both of them were introduced virtually together and that's how the market kicked off. At this point of time, our turnover roughly used to be around 20,000 crores and then it started growing and today